Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view saved items on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to view a saved items on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the U button available for us just beside the categories. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when you land over here guys, you can see at the bottom section of the screen when we scroll this up, currently we are on the browsing history of the Temu, but if we slide it to the right or tap in on the wish list guys, you can see on this interface when we tap on the wish list over here, there will be the saved items of our Temu account. And if you tap on the see all guys, all of our saved items on Temu app will be listed out over here. And that being said guys, this is how to view saved items on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.